Hello, this is James Smith at GannAnalysis.net. Register to the website www.GannAnalysis.net and get a free report explaining the square of 90 as applied to meta. So, if you're interested in Gann, you want to learn a little bit of Gann, all you have to do is register to the website and you can view this free report that explains the square of 90. As you see it here, we go into detail to explain it. So if you're interested, you want to learn some Gann, just go ahead and register. It doesn't cost you anything. You just fill in your name, tell us what you're interested in. And if you tell us one other good thing is if you tell us what market you're interested in, we'll send you a free report on that market. So you won't be wasting your time. Thanks a lot for your time.